Hi guys, this is part 4. Yeah. Okay, let's. Okay. Yeah, I'm not pro. This is part 4, guys. I'm starving again. I need to eat steak. How about let's baligya some cow?
How about duha because if we want this, what's the name of this? Oh.
Got some beds.
How about you duha?
No, yeah, no, don't bother me.
I bring two of them like this, so I only just bring that one only. I just like this. It's still not add food.
Just shortcut, guys.
Don't see this. This is my secret room. No, wala ko fishing rod. Oh, I don't have a fishing rod. Can you give me some fishing rod?
I don't have any too.
How about you gonna to your fishing rod? But I don't have a fishing rod. Oh, I don't have. So where's?
How about let's put in the chest or not samok-samok?
Get two of them fishing rod, please. I don't have a fishing rod.
No, one only.
Oh, ito pa naman lady dito.
One only. Put in the chest. How about this? And still.
How about some me get the bow? So this is the secret room.
When it's not kaigo, what should we do?
Just put the